Hey quiz adventurers! Welcome to Nemo Quiz. Today, Nemo is back with a fresh challenge that will truly test how well you know the creatures of the deep. So here's the big question. How good is your knowledge of sea animals? We've lined up 60 rapid-fire and tricky ocean-themed questions. And in every round, you'll have just 10 seconds to think fast, connect the clues, and lock in your answer. The leaderboard is wide open, and today could be the moment you claim the title of Ultimate Sea Animal Quiz Champion. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Nemo Quiz so you never miss our fun, challenging, and mind-blowing sea animal quizzes. Let's dive deep and start the challenge now. Between a shark and a jellyfish, which one is more deadly? Strong opening. The jellyfish, especially box jellyfish, can be extremely lethal. Which sea creature holds the title for fastest swimmer? Lightning fast. The sailfish dominates the ocean race. What amazing ability do starfish have? Great thinking! They can grow back lost arms. Which sea animal do these emojis represent? Nice connection! That's a seahorse. What makes seahorses truly unique? Exactly! The males carry and give birth to babies. Seahorses are excellent swimmers. Good catch! False! They're actually quite clumsy swimmers. Which sea animal makes this sound? Sharp ears? That sound belongs to a dolphin. How do dolphins sleep without drowning? Smart answer. They rest with only half their brain asleep. Who has a stronger bite, an orca or a shark? Power move! The orca wins this one easily. Sharks have real bones in their bodies. Nice try! False. Their skeletons are made of cartilage. How do sharks take in oxygen underwater? Correct! They breathe using gills. What is the largest animal ever to live in the ocean? Big win! The blue whale holds the record. Can you find the blue whale that doesn't match the others? Great focus! You spotted the odd one out. How deep can a blue whale dive? Well reasoned. About 12,000 feet is the right answer. Which sea creature releases ink to escape danger? Clever choice. The octopus uses ink as a smokescreen. Which sea animal can live for over 100 years? Impressive! The sea turtle is built for longevity. Remember the position of all emojis? Do you remember where the crab was earlier? Brain power. It was at position 5. Crabs usually move straight backward. Good thinking. False. They mostly walk sideways. Which famous sea character is this? Nice recall. That's Sebastian. Which character do you prefer, Sebastian or Tamatoa? No wrong answers. Pick your favorite vibe. Like this video if you love Sebastian's cheerful voice, but hit subscribe to the Quiz Nemo channel if you prefer Tamatoa's deep, boastful voice. Which sea animal survives in both salt and fresh water? Spot on. The salmon can do both. Which animal sleeps while floating on the ocean's surface? Smooth answer. Dolphins float as they rest. Which sea animal can disappear into sandy ocean floors? Perfect pick! The flounder blends flawlessly. Can you find the flounder hiding here? Eagle eyes! It almost fooled you. Which of these is actually an animal, not a plant? Surprising, right? Coral is made of tiny animals. What do coral reefs need to stay healthy? Well chosen! Sunlight and clean water are essential. Coral can move around the ocean floor. False! Coral stays fixed in place. Which fish lives safely inside coral reefs? Nice one! The clownfish calls coral home. Where did you last see Nemo? Well remembered. Nemo was at spot 2. Which sea creature can reproduce by cloning itself? Mind-blowing! The sea anemone can do that. What is the fear of deep oceans called? You got it! Thalassophobia. Which sea animal is not actually a fish? Correct! The starfish isn't a fish at all. Which option is the correct answer here? Solid choice. Option C is correct. Which sea animal can rapidly change its color? Great call. The squid master's camouflage. Squids have beaks like birds. That's right! True. A sharp beak hides inside. What type of shark is shown here? Nice! That's a hammerhead shark. Can you find all 3 differences? Fantastic focus! You caught them all. Which sea animal has the largest brain for its size? Smart answer. The octopus is incredibly intelligent. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Correct! 2 for gills, 1 for the body. How many arms does an octopus have? Easy win! 8 arms exactly. Which fish inflates itself to scare predators? Good pick! The pufferfish blows up like a balloon. Which one has more teeth? Awesome! It's shark. What special trick can clownfish perform? Fun fact, they can change their gender. Which animal is known as the wolf of the sea? Exactly! The orca earns that title. Which animal travels the longest distance to lay eggs? Great knowledge! The sea turtle travels far. Sea turtles cry underwater because they're sad. Not quite. True, but it's just salt removal. Which one is the real sea dragon? Good eye. Option C is correct. What do sea dragons eat? Correct! Tiny shrimp and plankton. Sea dragons are fast swimmers. Nice try! False. They move very slowly. Which animal's heart is in its head? Nice! The octopus. Which sea animal creates pearls? Classic answer, the oyster does. Which creature lives both on land and in the sea? Correct! The crab handles both worlds. Some fish are able to walk on land. True! Mudskippers walk using their fins. Which animal is called the sea unicorn? Perfect! The narwhal fits the legend. What exactly is a narwhal's tusk? Spot on. It's a long tooth, not a horn. Which animal lives the deepest underwater? Right answer. The anglerfish thrives in darkness. What does an anglerfish usually eat? Well done! Fish and squid. Blue whales hunt large fish. Incorrect. They mainly eat tiny krill. Which one uses teamwork to fish? Beautiful choice. Orca is the right one. Which animal sings underwater? Nice finish. Whales communicate through songs. Thanks for being part of today's exciting challenge. If you had fun, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.